one question, like Oliver asked some questions at the start. All right. Oliver asked, should there be any consideration regards to safety of your channel to avoid hackers? For example, two-factor authentication. Yeah, that's like I have two-factor authentication always on, and I never got anything hacked. That should be enough to safeguard your channel for sure. I'm not sure if you're hinting at any other things, Oliver, but usually that should be enough. Like if you have a separate email address per channel and then also two-factor authentication on link to your phone number, right? And then for your second question, is there any niche you would suggest to avoid in terms of difficulty of ranking, saturation? So Oliver, last week, we did like 20 or 30 minutes about niches you should avoid in the presentation. So I would advise you to look in the school community at last week call. In the classroom section, I have all the recordings of our coaching calls. In there, you can find the third, I think it's group coaching number 3. There we went pretty long into like niches you should avoid. Another thing you can do to find it quickly, because I think I uploaded it to my YouTube channel too. Where I'm going to show it to you guys really quick, and then we're going to end off the call. 1 second, I'm going to share my screen. So let's see, if you are in the school here, right? There is here on the right sidebar, it has here the second link, clips channel for the group calls. This is a separate YouTube channel I made where I pick the highlights from these group coaching calls and put them in here. So here, see this video, almost 10 minutes long. This is from last call, and it's called YouTube automation niches you should avoid. So Alex, or who asked it, Alexander or someone else, like this is that snippet from the 10-minute snippet about which niches you should avoid. So you can go ahead and watch this, and that will answer your question. All right, let's see if there's anything else for now. Okay, Rory. Okay, last question, guys. Rory asks, to be honest, I haven't a clue what niche to get into, to be honest. Rory, I would advise you to this coming week, because the call is like to an end right now, watch the accelerator course and the premium course and start doing niche research. And then next Sunday on the live call, you can show me your niche research and we can go through your ideas and the things you have. Niche research really comes down to just coming up with a lot of ideas and then at one point deciding which one you want to go with. This is the part where most people struggle with, and it's very common to struggle with this part. So just get to the researching, like actual researching niches and finding channels and understanding why they work. And then we're going to help you like pick one and figure out what niche to get you started with. All right, guys, it's past 7, or like for me, it's past 7. It's been an hour. I hope everyone liked this call. Everyone that's new, thanks for coming on. I hope it was valuable to you. And I hope to see your faces again next week. The group is growing. More people are coming on these calls, so I'm really enjoying it. If you have any question, just post it in Skool. The new people that got in here, send me a DM on Skool too, because you can get one like 20-minute free consulting session with me too. And if not, just post it in the Skool, and I will see you guys on next call. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Have a great Sunday, and I will see you.